So we have Janvi here. She's a fitness trainer and she's Mrs. India 2018. We are having her live today, and she will talk to us about fitness secrets, how to be happy, and not only that, she'll also share what she's been doing during lockdown to de-stress herself. Now, people get panic when they are, in this kind of a mode. Some are going to de-stress; they are going to cooking or something like that. But what else can we do? What can we do to de-stress? So that's the topic we are doing every day with different celebrities, different guests. Yeah, thank you so much for everybody for encouraging these kinds of shows, because every time we can't have only the top people talking about it, but people, yeah, thanks John Janvi, who have achieved a lot with what uh, you know yeah, I've sent you the request, please join in. So with whatever resources they're having, our problem, ma'am, maybe, I don't know. We're checking. She has to join by now, but I don't know whether it's a tower problem or whether what is the problem. It's getting declined from her end. I'm sending you again. Please join. Don't decline it. Just press once. You have to press only once. You shouldn't press.
Finally.
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you so much for joining, Janvi.
Pleasure is all
And
mine. Pleasure is all mine.
thank
It's
you.
always
So,
good to connect.
yeah, and finally we got connected.
Yeah. Actually, first time on FB Live in conference, so
Yeah,
maybe that was a
interesting.
thing.
That was
Yeah.
interesting.
So how are you? How is this
Yeah,
lockdown treating you?
no, that's what I'm going to ask you, because Janvi, I know you were a homemaker, then to a fitness trainer, to being on to be the Mrs. India. So you have to
Yeah.
tell me first your journey, like how even people when they come to get married and they have their kids, they think it's the end of their life. You know, हो गया सब कुछ. अभी आराम से पति कमा के देगा, घर में बैठेंगे, shopping करेंगे. How no you became a motivation and inspiration to many of us. So tell me, how was it? How was the journey? How was the journey? You can hear me? Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's very, very nice. Okay, can't hear. Whose voice you can't hear, Malini? Is it with her? Or not audible of Janvi, ma'am? What is? No, there's a voice problem, Janvi. Are you fine? You're on headphones, right? Now, can you hear Janvi? Why don't you talk? Yeah, yeah, your voice is not audible. Why don't you talk? Tell me about how do you come? Yeah, tell hi. Is it? Can you hear? Yeah, Malini has joined. Shobha, can you say? Any of you? Can you please confirm if you can hear her? Please
Hey
stop Janvi
Shobha.
muting.
Hi Malini. How are you guys doing? Can you hear me now?
please let me know if you can hear her voice so that we can continue talking, and we can also take no. Why it is coming no? Why no? Yeah. Yes now. Yeah. Yes now. Thanks, Malini. Thanks for
Great.
confirming.
Great. Yeah.
So yeah, if you have any queries, like if you want to know any fitness tips and anything, you can just ask the questions, and I will ask Jahnavi, and she'll be answering for us, and she'll also give us a glimpse of her career things. So tell me, Jahnavi, we were talking about your entry into being, into Mrs. India. So how was it? How was the journey? Was it easy? Was it difficult? What was a crucial part in your journey?
After being a housewife, full-time
Mm-hmm.
housewife and a part-time aerobics trainer,
Mm-hmm.
I thought this is going to be my life till my last breath. This is how I'm going to live. But
Mm-hmm.
then later on, after a certain point, I thought get up and fulfill my dreams. And this is how I just went. And
Mm-hmm.
over there, I was like, I met at least 70, 80 contestants from different
Okay.
part of our country, and they were from
Mm-hmm.
UK, Canada. There was a bikini
Mm-hmm.
contest winner. So
Mm-hmm.
the even the army officers were there. You,
Okay.
I had beautiful crowd over there. And when I went there, I was like so happy and so proud that
Uh-huh.
wow, I'm going to compete with such beautiful people, and they were so talented and they were so intelligent, so matlab, beautiful crowd. And then I was like, okay, even if I don't win anything, I think I'm
Mhm,
done competing with such
mhm.
beautiful and talented ladies. And this is how it went. And over there, first day, to be very frank, when I met everybody, I was little tensed
Yeah. Mhm,
because when you see amazing crowd and too many talented girls competing with you,
mhm.
you I think that is very natural that you get tensed and nervous. So I was like, first day I had 102 fever. We had
Mhm.
training thing and all going on, like ramp walk training and all. So first day, and I was like, oh god, I don't know what is going to happen now. Then second day I
Okay.
was like, am I losing something by being confident? And even chalo, if I don't win, but am I losing anything in life? At least I have taken
Mhm,
that initiative after settling everything. I think that is,
mhm.
I win it, like I'm already a winner by coming and participating in such a big pageant. And second
Very
day
true.
I just tied the knot and
Mhm,
I was like, okay, I'm just going with 100% confidence now. And
mhm,
second day, I was quite confident. I was like, no problem. I'm going to give my 100%. Whether I win or lose is secondary now. Me
mhm,
participating with full confidence is the first thing, and that is how I just went. And I'm really proud to be over there with the wonderful contestants, and I'm really happy and I feel blessed that God was there with me, my friends, my family, they were there, the blessings were there, and I was lucky enough to get the crown back home to Hyderabad.
Yeah, we are all proud of you. Manli is
Thank you.
saying we are proud of you, Jan. How
I
sweet.
I love you, Mallu. I love you so much. Because of you guys only, I was able to get the crown back home, darling.
Yeah, and
I think without gods and friends, and because friends are angels which God have sent to support you and to be
mhm.
behind you of for your every decision of yours. And I'm really blessed to have friends like Malini and Shobha and my Fitbuzz trainers. We have worked together for
Yeah,
13 years together. Yeah.
love you too, and Shobha is also waving hi to you. So there are many people who are joining us, and you can ask questions to her on fitness also. So any fitness tips you want, you can just ask her. She's a fitness trainer in aerobics. So Janvi, who motivated you to go to this? Who motivated and who inspired The difference is there. Inspiration is somebody, motivation is somebody. So you have to tell
There
me.
was only one person who pushed me, who kicked
Uh-huh.
me, who inspired me, who motivated me, and she is Janvi Bajaj.
Mhm.
Because since till you're
Right.
not motivated by yourself, nothing can happen. Even 100 people will tell you, oh, you look like an air hostess, oh, you're so tall, you look like Sushmita Sen. Nothing can happen till it comes from your, till it comes from within. And I think it really came from within. And I was, because I'm a housewife also, like I take care of my
Uh-huh.
house, like
Uh-huh.
I cook 3 times meal and extra things and whatever, buy stuff from outside and all. So it was very tough for me to take care of my family,
Yeah.
cooking,
Mm.
yeah, going for everything. And Mrs. India thing needs lot of effort, like shopping,
Mhm.
and you have a
Mhm.
talent round for which we, so all these things take a lot of effort and time. So it was really very tough for me
Mhm.
to handle. And I was like, you know to be very frank, in between I had given up, like, no, I'm unable to do it, I'm
Yeah.
giving up, it's okay, I at
Yeah.
least tried. But then again I slept over it, and I was like, okay, but if I've taken, if I've come half the way with my preparations and all, then I should just get up and just, I have to go. And my sister really counseled me, no, you have come half the way, I don't think you should get back, because you are not a person who will not come next time, next year again you will come, and you will say, I'm participating in Mrs. India, but again you have to go from step one. So better, if you have reached halfway, just go ahead. And then I was like, okay,
Go
and
ahead.
I prayed, and this is how it happened. It was not, it was really tough, because we are not Miss India, we are
Okay.
Mrs.
That's
India.
it.
So we have responsibilities of our family,
Uh-huh.
in-laws, husbands, kids, and everybody. So that is a problem.
Yeah, husband, kids, and everybody. Yeah, I do
Yeah,
understand. So,
yeah.
what is the difference between Miss India and Mrs. India in terms of routes or preparation? Is there any particular, you should have this kind of weight, this kind of vital statistics? Is there anything like that? There's a difference? Is there, or you're little
See,
lenient side?
actually they don't give you any weight limit, that you have to weigh this much or your height should be this much. This is the most beautiful thing, because I think each and
Mm-hmm.
every girl, lady, have right to live, like, if you're 5 feet tall, then short, tall, whatever, I don't think it's your
Mm-hmm.
mistake, and you have equal right, like, how, what right a tall girl has to live. So
Mm-hmm.
they really give you chance. Even a short girl, fat girl is allowed to participate, but I think you definitely land up losing weight, and you want to
Okay.
look fit, you want to look beautiful, you want to look gorgeous, you want to wear the best of attire, because you are representing your state at such beautiful
Absolutely.
level. So you will definitely give your best shot, because there was nothing told to us that you have to be this much weight and all. But if you are going to such a big stage where Mahima Chaudhary was the judge and Poonam Dhillon was the judge, now you can imagine. So in front of
Yeah, I do
these
understand.
icons, I don't think you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
Mm.
have to give your best shot, because this will never happen again and again. Every time you will not go for Mrs. India contest, you can only go.
Once. Correct. So, how was it? I mean, what was the toughest part for you? Is it like, getting groomed or losing weight? Or you be frank about it, because people should tell me the truth. What was the toughest part? Is it losing weight? Is it grooming yourself, or you buying clothes? What was the toughest part for you?
Losing weight, I am into personal training and in fitness industry since so many years. So somehow I knew how to lose weight. The only thing is you need a kick and motivation. Someone should be
Mm-hmm.
standing on your head, and I did not had anybody, because I did not had time to go to gyms. And also whatever I was doing on my own. I was doing dieting, I was doing my own classes, I was taking my own classes, like, I was using my whole, you don't, sometimes you just don't need a gym, you just need
Mm-hmm.
to know what you need to do. And I used my whole building my stairs, my people, they sit down on the platform in the building. I
Yeah.
use those places. Like I used to climb up stairs like 4 5 times a day, and I used to do jumping jacks at home. I just used to put on music and I used to dance and all, because I'm an aerobics trainer. So I used to make my own videos and just keep on dancing and all, so that and it really helped me, because that time I was like so strong headed that I have to lose weight. I had a target
Mhm.
and I have to lose weight and I have to go for it. In a, I have to look beautiful on the stage. That is fit and beautiful.
Absolutely.
And I was lucky enough to
Absolutely.
achieve my goal.
Now
So
you now tell me something. What after losing weight or after grooming or whatever, what is the toughest round in the entire process of Mrs. India?
talent round,
Mm-hmm.
because amazing ladies were there. Amazing ladies.
Mm-hmm.
Like they were reciting their own poems. They had written poems for Mrs. India. Imagine, like
Wow.
they were they were performing in such a beautiful way. Like few of them are looking like Madhuri Dixit. Few of them are looking like Sri Devi. They were really awesome, flexible, talented. Because there was no age group. Like ladies of 18 years were also there, and ladies of 60 years were
Mm-hmm.
also there. 60, 65 were also there, because it's Mrs. India.
Wow.
So you just
Okay.
have to be
Okay.
married. So all
Mm-hmm.
the categories were there, and I was really happy to see that that the crowd was so awesome and talented that the competition level was really very high. So talent round was the
Really
most
nice.
toughest round.
And what do? You do in the talent round?
I did my aerobics. I did a aerobics performance on Chikni Chameli,
Uh-huh.
which I used to in my classes. I used to dance on that song. My students know about it, and I did the same thing, because I think in talent round you should do what you're comfortable in. You should not try to. I
Mhm.
tried doing dance and all, but I was like, no, I'm not a dancing person. So I did dance aerobics, and I was really
Okay.
happy that yeah, I have been doing dance aerobics since 13 years, and this is what I did over there, and I was the only one who did that. So I was really happy that I'm doing something different and unique.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Manli is also saying Arabics. Yeah, yeah, thanks. Yeah, there is Palni who's joined, and there are many people who have joined. Arasu, Kamini Verma, many people are. So
Hello
there are many people,
everyone.
Priyanka, many people are joining. So yeah, you can ask questions on fitness and everything on diet. And tell me something. Is there any fast diets to lose weight?
There
People go to
are,
this
but
keto diet, that kind of thing. Mm.
I don't believe in fast diets actually, because I feel when you lose gradually, you can sustain that. Like
Mhm.
you can lose gradually, and but if
Mhm.
you lose faster, you'll end up putting on also fast. So I think we
Mhm.
should all try to include walking or any kind of yoga, surya namaskar, pranayam, or
Mhm. Mhm.
anything you can do, like stretches, walking, jogging, spot jogging. We can do so many things uh, to remain healthy, because few people are unable to go to gyms, and few people are
Correct.
unable, they don't have particular time, like okay, 5 o'clock I'm free or 11 o'clock I'm free. I think all these
Mhm.
things you can do at whatever time you want to. This is what I do. If I'm free in the mornings, I just go down, I just take half an hour, I just walk around my building for half an hour or 1 hour, depends on my capacity
Mhm.
and my housework. Or in
Yeah.
between, I yeah, I just climb the stairs also, like because it's very good to climb
Walk down
stairs
the stairs up and
to
down.
yeah, you should not go down because it affect your knees, but you should climb up. I go down by lift, because it really helps to maintain the quadriceps. You If you have heavy
Oh, very
legs, then
nice.
you should you should definitely, because it's like very good lower body exercise and easy exercise. And try not to lock your knees, because it really it damages the knees and it's permanent. Then it's very tough to
Yeah, it's difficult.
retain
So
it back. Yeah.
good idea you have given to us. Good idea you have given to most of them. It's a good thing. Even I'm coming to know. You have to walk down up, but when you're coming down, you should come down through lift.
Yeah.
It's easy to come down. People feel, but I think it's a good tip. So, so tell me something. What did you do during this lockdown? What was the thing you were doing in this lockdown? Lockdown is still
Cooking,
continuing. It may
cooking,
continue till
cooking,
month end. So
and
what is it?
cooking.
So what did you do for de-stressing, darling?
I always go, because we have really taken
Mhm.
lockdown very seriously, and we are not going out often. I just go to buy my grocery, because my husband helps me a lot in buying things, but he buys half the stuff and he comes back. So I I took it and I was
You
like,
end
okay,
up
I'll
going
go.
again and buying.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
You
I
end up
go.
again going again.
So better. I thought I'll only go. So and I every time I go, I make sure that I'm carrying a lot of biscuit packets, and I just give it to the poor people I found on the road, because especially I haven't gone, because it's very risky to go out for whenever I go out, I am carrying a lot of biscuit packets to give it to poor. And I have made one more routine, that every evening, because no one is there on the terrace and all, I use my terrace a lot for jumping jacks, for spot jogging, for 1 hour of walking, because I have downloaded the step app, in which I come to know that how many steps I have walked in a day. So this has become
Okay.
my routine. Hmm. This has become my routine.
There's a question.
Cutting my,
There's a question
yeah,
for you. There's a
yeah.
question for you. Uh, Janvi ma'am, tell us after and before marriage, how should we maintain our body fitness? How should we
See,
maintain
I'll
our
tell you
body
something.
fitness? Uh,
I think there is only one mantra.
uh,
We should eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a
uh,
lunch like a normal person, and dinner like a poor man, like a beggar. Because
okay. Okay.
night food really, because we sleep and you have to eat 2 hours before sleep, because you need 2 hours to
Mm,
digest. And the best thing you can do is, when you have lunch, when you have dinner, I
mm,
make sure that I
mm.
walk 10 minutes. Like when I have my lunch, I just wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I walk for 10 minutes. So your
Oh,
food
very
gets
nice.
digested faster, and it really helps you to
Mhm.
maintain your weight. So that is what I do,
Oh,
and I'm just like, I don't think there is any
mm,
very big equation for this. You can just do it normally also. Just walk after your meals, and it will be very
mm.
nice if you just make sure that you walk 1 hour anywhere you want to. If you don't have any place in the building or terrace, you can walk at home also, and no
Yeah,
excuses.
that's a very nice thing.
या
Very
मेरे यहाँ
nice
ये
thing.
नहीं
Very
है,
nice idea.
वो नहीं है, मेरे यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है. It's okay, let's not crib for anything, and let's, because whatever you're doing it for yourself. So just don't be really honest towards yourself, and you take out the solution where you have to walk, and how you have to eat, and where you have to eat. So be
Yeah.
honest towards yourself.
So there are many people who are saying hi to you. Say hi to
Hello.
them also. Padma
Hello.
is saying
Hello
hi.
everyone.
Susan is saying, there are many people who are saying hi to you. So the next question is you can also ask any questions as I continue my questions to her. Any questions on fitness, on about being Mrs. India, her life thing, and inspiration. Any questions regarding that? If you have, you can just pop in the questions. So tell me, Janvi, that after going through and coming back, what was the change in you which you noticed from after becoming Mrs. India? what was the change in you and which you noticed and which you wanted to share it with everybody?
See, frankly speaking, I'm a very normal person. I just
Mm.
take care of my house, my family, my family members. Like you know, when they don't eat on time, I'm the one who sulks. Like, you know, why aren't they eating? Why aren't they doing that? I'm a actual family person. So
Mm.
you know, my life revolves around them only. But
Okay.
after a certain, you know, I was not thinking too much about myself, and I'm a very, very underconfident person. Like, you know, I never
Mm.
used to feel ki, oh, I'm this, I'm that. So with
Mm.
this, I gained a lot of confidence when I
Mm.
came back with a crown, when everybody was telling me, you are the inspiration for us. Like, this was a big, you know, this for me, that, you know, I was
Compliment.
like, really, I can become an inspiration for someone. So that really boosted up my
Mhm.
confidence. So I think this is the
Mhm.
biggest thing I can share, that, you know, start living for yourself too. Like, you know, I did not give up my family preferences, but with them, I
Okay.
started living for myself
Mhm.
too. And this is the reason I just went, because, you know, all these things will never end. And everybody really
Yeah.
cooperated, my family and my, you know,
Mhm.
my sister, my sister-in-law, my co-sister-in-law, my bhabhi, my
Mhm.
everybody, they were like really, really supportive, and they were there with me whenever I needed them. My co-sister-in-law,
Very nice.
my son, my husband, everybody was supporting me badly, because whenever I
Very
used to
nice,
go for
Janvi.
shopping, I used to give my husband a parantha, and he was okay with that. It was very tough to cook the full meal after, you know, coming from shopping. And, you know, and I went to Bombay for shopping 2 3 times for alterations and this and that, because my family lives in Bombay. So he really cooperated a lot
Mhm.
with me. So without husbands and family cooperation, things are not that easy. Yes, you can
Not
definitely
easy.
achieve
Correct.
then also. Yeah. So I'm
Mhm.
really thankful to everybody that, you know, they supported me in my decision, because it's not easy to take such a big decision, that I'm going for a pageant and 3 4 months of preparations. You cannot do it alone. You can, but it will be very tough for you mentally and physically. So I'm really
Physically, correct.
thankful. So
So very nice, very nicely said, Janvi. It's not, it's without a motivation of family, you can really not do anything in anywhere.
yeah.
Now tell me something. What would you do once the lockdown is over? What would you do? The first thing. There's a question I'm asking everybody. So what would you do? Like, abhi khatam ho gaya aaj. So what do you do next? Will you rush to a restaurant? Will you go out and meet people? What
No,
will you do?
see, it's not about lockdown. It's not about lockdown is on or it's open. I think we have to still take care of ourselves for 2 3 more months, because it's just on. It's not about the lockdown. This is like government has told you that we are, you know, we are locking down everything and you cannot go out and this and that. But I think it's our responsibility also as a person. Like, you know, everything government cannot say. We have to really take good care of ourselves. We have to develop our immune system. We have to be strong
Mhm.
so that we don't catch the this problem easily. And I think I'm just trying to make my immune system stronger. I'm trying to be emotionally fitter. I'm trying to be physically fitter, and I'm just
Mhm.
trying to be fitter in all the ways, because the fight is still on. We should not think that if the
Yeah,
lockdown is over, things are over. The fight is still on, and we have
yeah.
to
Fight
fight
is
for
still on.
more 3 4 months, because I think China and all are still
Absolutely.
fighting
Till
with
we
that.
get the vaccine. Yeah, till
Yeah,
we
till
get
we
the
get the vaccine.
vaccine. Yeah,
And you know, it will take
we
more
can't.
3 4 months. It is not easy
Yeah,
to, you
absolutely.
know.
More than that,
Yeah,
actually. More than that,
yeah, because
actually.
there are only guesses,
So,
we will do this, we will do that. But I'm sorry, I'm
that's
still
not,
thinking that after lockdown also I will not move out too much. And whatever I will go out, I will go out with a mask. And social distancing is a must, and this is what I want to tell everybody out there, that please
hmm,
maintain that distance for yourself, because you have to take care of your family and your neighbors and whatever. So for that, you have to take care of yourself. Even if Modi ji doesn't tells you to sit at home, you have to take care of yourself. You, because he
you have
doesn't
to
need to tell
take care
you
of
everything,
yourself.
because we are adults, we should have that common sense, we should have that self responsibility also. So if everybody out there take their own responsibility, I don't think Modi ji needs to say something. Let us now become responsible in taking care of ourselves and help our Prime Minister Modi ji in helping to fight this battle disease
Pandemic.
COVID.
Correct.
And I'm sure we will fight. If we will fight, we will definitely win this battle.
Very positively said, Janvi. There's a question again from Padma. Do we compensate fitness, like say when we are used to regular walking every day and no other exercise really goes well with my body as I used to do earlier? So now lockdown, how do I compensate since I can't go outside? What do you suggest her?
If you cannot go out, you can do so many exercises at home also. Like, you know, there are so many chair exercise also. What is her age? What is her
She
age?
is not mentioned her age. She must be around
Okay,
30s.
yeah, 30 is like, you
It's not
know, then so
mentioned.
she can do jumping jacks and everything she can do. She can do spot jogging. Just look at, just first of all, when you start any kind of exercise, we need to do the warm up. For warm up, we can just shake our hands and just move here and there. Our body gets warm up for the exercise. And after that, we can start exercising, like we can do jumping jacks. We can start with 30 jumping jacks, and we can go on for 50. We can do skip and hop. We can just do skipping and twisting and all. We can twist our waist so that right and left, so that, you know, we work out on our waist also. We can just do planks. You can learn all these things from net also, like, you know, on YouTube and all. There are so many exercises. So I don't think
Yeah.
it's necessary that you have to go out to lose weight or to do any kind of exercise. You can do it anything at home also.
Hmm. So, Janvi ma'am, how many languages do you know and speak?
Three.
Three
Three.
languages she know.
I know
So I think
Hindi, I know
it's
English, and I know
Janvi, not
Sindhi.
Janaki, please. Somebody's writing Janaki. It's Janvi, not Janaki. Please, please. It's again, once again, I'm telling you, it's
It's
Janvi.
okay, it's okay.
So,
If she's calling with love, I'm okay with Janki also.
so okay, Padma, she just asked us the question. No, so her age is 41. Is that fine? She does something like that.
You are
41.
younger to me, Padma, so you can do anything. If I can do jumping jacks 100, then you can definitely do 200.
Oh wow!
You
See,
can
look
do
at her.
sport
How such a
jogging.
motivation.
You can do sport jogging. Just on the TV or on the music, and trust me, if you are capable of doing 100 jumping jacks, 100 squats, 100
Ayo.
at least 2 to 300 of each,
My
and
God.
gradually your stamina will also increase. So anything can be
Yeah.
done at home also. So don't try not to make any kind of excuse. We can do everything at home also.
So, so what kind of a diet do you recommend during this lockdown? Because most of the people are hogging food, thinking that it will increase their immunity or whatever. So tell us, especially for women, what kind of a food they should eat during this lockdown, what kind of food they should avoid, because they're cooking at home anyways, but still ghee dal ke, makhan dal ke they're eating. So tell us what food is best to eat.
See, actually, as my son is at home, we also cook everything. But it's like once
Mhm.
a week we go for Italian or Chinese. I cook everything at home, and I try to make the thing healthier only. Like if I'm making Chinese noodles or fried rice, I put half the quantity is vegetables only, and oil is like 1 teaspoon.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
at my place, everybody is used to having uh, food with less oil, and they have got used to it.
Okay.
And trust me, it is really yummy. We freak out on whatever I cook, because you know, you have to get used to it, because we are like, oh, dikh nahi raha tel upar tairta hua, but it's not good for your health. Like, you know, this is how people talk. Nahi, isme dikh nahi raha. It's
Mm.
okay, you know, start compromising. If you want, you can just keep on hogging for your whole life, or if you want, you can live a healthy life. Now the choice depends on you. So I have choose to be healthy, so I try to put less of oil and butter and cheese. We eat everything, but we eat Italian but without cheese. We eat pasta, but I try not to put cheese on top, because yes, it it is yummy, but rather than not eating, eat with less of butter and cheese.
Cheese.
Then
So
eat
she's
lots of
saying, oh,
vegetables. Eat lots of
okay, lots of
vegetables.
vegetables.
Yeah.
Okay, lots of
And
vegetables is good.
I hope
Yeah,
everybody is washing their vegetables in salt and baking soda to make it
correct,
COVID free.
correct. To make it COVID free, you should use baking soda and salt as
Yeah.
Janvi is suggesting us. And another question, what is the best time to do aerobics, in the morning or in the evening? What's the best time?
Anytime, whenever you get time, whenever you feel energetic, whenever you are done with your housework, whenever you are done with
Mm.
your outside work and all, you, because you know what, if you want to start all these things, you just, whenever you feel that you can do it, like if I say ki, okay, do it in the morning, and you will be like, oh, morning so I'm busy with my housework, evening I'm busy with my dinner, then let's not talk about it. Do exercise whenever you are free
Yeah, do
and
exercise whenever you're free,
free.
whenever
Yeah,
you feel little bit energetic, please do. And I think you should eat in at least 2 hours before, right? How is it for
better.
aerobics?
Yeah, yeah,
Better. Yeah.
yeah,
So
better. You feel lighter,
yeah.
but you should not be you should eat properly, because sometimes you feel too weak, and you feel giddy sometimes while exercising. And while exercising, you should have
Mhm.
lots of water. Just keep a water bottle besides you while
Mhm.
exercising. Keep on having water
Mhm.
and hydrating. Keep on hydrating yourself continuously while you're exercising.
Okay.
Yeah, that is
Yeah, very
what
nice.
I do
So
every
there are many
time.
apps for you guys. Yeah, there
Yeah.
are many apps. You can just download some of the apps and do aerobics. As she said, drink a lot of water. That's the best idea. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, thanks. She's answered your
Welcome.
question and she's thanked you also. So Vijaya Spandana, thanks for joining in. She's just joined in. So tell me something. You know, what is the thing which you think people should cultivate regularly in terms of fitness or in terms of daily routine to increase their immunity as such? Is there anything particularly they should do from morning to evening?
Stop
What do you
eating
suggest?
junk food, because junk food really deteriorate your body. That is what I've learned. And healthy
Mm-hmm.
food will always make your immune system stronger.
Okay.
That is what I've learned.
Okay.
Like whenever I used to, I feel that whenever you eat junk food, like maida and too much of outside food and all, you always land up feeling that you don't have energy level, your energy level always goes down. But when you eat healthy, then definitely you feel ki, okay, I can do half an hour of more walking or exercise and all. So eating really matters a lot. Like with exercising, you have to 100% take care of your eating habits also. And eating habit means that if you're eating healthy, this is one thing.
Mhm.
Second thing is, you have to take care of timings also. Like even if at lockdown period, I'm looking at everybody, like people are sleeping at 2-3 o'clock, and they are waking up at 11-12 o'clock in the afternoons. They
Correct,
are
correct,
skipping their
correct. Mm.
breakfast. So I don't see lockdown, maybe it will go on or whatever you have to, but I think you have to take care of your eating habit timing also. Like with food, what you eat, you have to watch at what time you eat. Have your breakfast in the morning, complete your
Mm.
dinner maximum at 9 o'clock. Like,
Okay.
even if you're at home, and after dinner, please try not to munch. After having healthy dinner, try not to munch bhujia packets, please, because it will not help you. It will. So try to avoid junk.
Absolutely.
This is what is happening.
She's
I'm
saying
talking to
right to
everybody.
avoid junk.
Yeah.
Yeah, she said not to eat junk or munch in the night. So whatever you've done, whether you've done aerobics or walking up and down like what she does, and you end up eating junk, then it's a waste of time.
It's
Ma'am, for
gone.
kids, what type of food should we eat in summertime to maintain their height and weight? Any tips? Such a big question. Okay, what type of food should we give for the kids to eat in summer to maintain their height and weight? Give me some tips, ma'am.
According to
That's a
me,
question, Janvi.
in kids also, we need to take care of what we make them eat. Like, we should give them healthy things. We should avoid maida and, junk things like, because kids are loving pizzas and all. But try to make sure that you give them all these things once a week. Like, okay,
Mhm.
decide a day, like, Saturday I will give you whatever you want. Rather, rest you have to take care of the, you have to make them eat things made up of flour, wheat flour and all. Because in kids also, I'm watching, like, obesity is really increasing in child obesity is really it's not good for their health. They are already getting so many problems like heart problems and all. So we
Correct,
definitely need to
absolutely.
take, yeah. And in masti only, like, playing with them, we can make them do so many kind of exercises, like, okay, I'm keeping it there, I'm keeping the thing there, go down, get the thing up. Okay, let's do a race of stair. And also in lockdown also, because this is what I'm doing with my building kids, I play with my building kids. So what we do is, I just make them
Mhm.
run. Okay, who will go and get that thing faster to me? So half an hour just passes like that. So
Go by like that.
okay,
Yeah, yeah.
they are kids, but as a parent, we have to take care of them. Ki how we make sure that by eating right and by doing exercise in their own way. It's not necessary that we tell them, okay, you have to do this many squats, you have to run this and that. We can make exercising, we can get them done exercise in a funny way also, in
Really. Yeah.
just play games with them, so that we make sure that at least half an hour they do their exercise. And food and all, try to make them give, like, my son, he's like 22 years old and he hates
Okay.
milk. So what I do is, I just make banana milkshake for him without sugar. I make chiku and banana mango milkshake for him. So I make sure he has 2 glasses of milk. Even when he's 22 years old, I have to take care of him. So
Imagine
you
that's
have
the
to,
mother. That's a motherhood, yeah. That's a motherhood.
yeah.
At 22, you're sitting and you're making
Yeah,
banana
yeah, i'm
milkshake
i'm
and giving.
I'm having equal problems, because I make sure that he drinks at least 2 glasses of milk. So this is how I have to fool him. Oh, you like banana? Oh,
Very
like you
nice,
like, I
very
have
nice.
to put efforts, but I make sure that he drinks milk, and he takes everything properly, fruits and dry fruits and everything. I just make sure dry fruits also give your kids, because it's really good to develop the immune system. And at this time, we need to build up our immune system. Immunity has to
Yeah,
be built
absolutely.
for COVID. 3-4 months we have to
Absolutely.
badly take care of our immune system, because if we are
Absolutely.
if we are strong, nothing can happen. Because COVID
Nothing
is
can
happening to
happen.
people who have problems, like, heart problem, aged people, kids below 10 years. Why? Because their immune system is low. So we should
Very
try
nice.
to give
Correct,
them
correct.
food, fruits and everything, by which we can build up their immune system. And we have to take very good care of the old people also, who are above 60.
Very nice,
Just
very
take care
nice.
of
Thank you so much,
their health
Janvi. You
also.
have given us some ideas on how to do that. There's another final question we are taking today for the show. Any diet for fasting people during Ramzan season, Jahnavi ji? From
Ah, see, I think Ramzan, you guys have chicken, and also like, you guys freak on halim and biryanis and all. So try to make biryani with less of oil. Chicken is really good as it's high on protein. Halim also, people put a lot of ghee. That is what I've heard. So try to make a healthy diet by putting less of ghee. Enjoy your halim. Enjoy your biryanis with less of spices and less of this, and take care of your health while doing fasting during Ramzan also. And have lots of fruits and veggies if you can. And keep hydrating
very
yourself. Then
nice.
you can drink water. In summers,
Absolutely.
the most important thing is keep on hydrating yourself. Try to have at least 2 to 3 liters of water, anyhow, because it really keeps you going on. You feel
Yeah.
energetic while having water, because we really need water in summers.
But people who are fasting during Ramzan season, they don't have water also, a couple of
No, no,
people.
when they can
So,
have water, I mean to say, when
ah,
after evening they start having water, na, so they should have water a
they can
lot.
have, after
Yeah,
Sahri, they can have a lot of water, they can
yeah,
hydrate themselves, very nicely said. So you have a lot of protein with chicken and other things. And what she's suggesting, please do follow her. Have a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter and ghee or whatever. So thanks joining for the show today, Janvi. It was very nice having you. You gave us a lot of perspective. You told your journey. You told about, you answered many questions. So if there are any more questions you want to ask her, please do put in the comments. She will answer it personally. And if you want to also, talk to her, you can put it. I'm tagging her. You can also ask your questions, because questions are still popping up. So, any questions, do ask her and she will answer it. So, Janvi, tell me something. Are you doing any Arabic online classes as such for people?
Only. And housework, it goes on and on, so I'm not taking classes. I thought I will better take care of my health first, and so I'm just giving
Maybe in
1 hour
the
to
future.
myself in the evening.
So maybe in the future she might start. So a couple of people were asking that. So if
Oh,
she might start, you never know. So when she starts, she will surely inform me, and I will put
yeah.
you put on my page also regarding
Yeah.
her online classes. So Janvi, thank you so much. Anything you want to say finally before we wind up the show?
uh Jyoti, it has always been a pleasure of mine to connect with you. And I really had a great time. And you're a sweetheart. Keep rocking and keep
Thank you.
shining, darling. Take care of
Thank you
yourself.
so
And
much.
guys, stay home, stay safe, wear your mask, social distancing. Keep this in mind for 3, 4 more months and take good care of yourself. And don't be dependent on
Very
anybody. Take your personal responsibility while COVID is on. Please take good care of yourself.
Very
See you.
nice. Thank you, Janvi. Looking forward for
See
your
you.
online classes. If you're starting soon, please do inform us. And
Sure, sure, sure.
yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
wonderful
you so
evening. Bye
much.
bye.
Thank you.